Hey everyone, this is Rob Farian with Flying V Group. Today we're going to go over submitting sitemaps for a new website on Google Search Console utilizing Yoast SEO. So what you're looking at here is a Google Search Console screen for one of our new clients, halofertility.com. You can see that we already have the site obviously tracking some data with the launch at 10/1. I actually just pulled back the sitemaps just for the sake of this tutorial. I recommend doing this immediately as quickly as possible. The goal here is to make sure that we get as many pages on our site that we want to be indexed. So what you're going to do is you're going to work in this Sitemaps tab underneath Index on Google Search Console. And then you'll see add a new sitemaps, and you can see the submitted sitemaps, which again, I removed them just for the sake of this tutorial, but we will see what we're going to do here in a second. So I'm on a WordPress site, obviously, like I said, utilizing Yoast. I'm logged into the back end of the website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump into Yoast SEO, which is up here, and this will get me to my Yoast dashboard. You can see there's a bunch of different options on the left here for Yoast. Integrations, search appearance. I'm going to jump into my tools that you'll see here. Excuse me, it's not tools, it's my general and features. There we go. So let me do that again. I screwed that up actually. So we're going to go general, and then we're going to go features, and then you're going to see this list of Yoast SEO features here. I'm going to scroll down, and then you'll get to one that shows XML sitemaps. Be sure that that is obviously checked on. It should be on by default when you install Yoast. And then click this little question mark, and you'll see enable the XML sitemaps that Yoast SEO generates. See the XML sitemaps, read why XML sitemaps are important. Definitely go ahead and read that link just to educate yourselves. But I'm interested for this particular tutorial in the see the XML sitemap. So I went ahead and clicked that. And so now you'll see the actual sitemap for the website. So as you can see here, halofertility.com /sitemap_index.xml. So that's basically the index sitemap that will have indexing of the other additional sitemaps on your site. So what I'm going to do is I generally will submit everything. So I'll take and copy just this /, go back to Google Search Console, paste that here, and hit submit. Once you submit, wait for a second, give you a confirmation. And then the big thing that you're looking for is this status. So you see this success here. It'll show the number of URLs. This one's already been built out, like I said. But generally, just to be safe, I will pull each of these. So I'll pull the posts, sitemap, I'll submit that. See the success there, 15. I'll pull the page sitemap, pull that. Let's index this. I'll pull the categories. So whatever it is I defined as things that I wanted to actually be indexed through Yoast. Here. Boom. And so again, this is just giving the sitemap to Google, helping it to have a better understanding of pages on your site, what's available. So if I click into this post, you'll see different posts that have there, the pages, all the different pages that have been built out. Again, we're still kind of in a slight beta pre-launch phase. But yeah, this will help Google to browse and start to index your site. If you do run into some errors, you might have to do some troubleshooting. Generally with Yoast, it's going to be pretty seamless and straightforward. But yeah, that's it for this quick tutorial. And that will help you to get all of your sitemaps for WordPress with Yoast submitted into Google Search Console. So that way you can start tracking individual site data, keyword data on your website. Thanks so much for joining. Really appreciate the support. You could comment if you have any questions on this video. And then as always, would love for you to subscribe. I'm going to be pumping out a lot more of these videos in the future. Thanks so much.